You are 45 years old. Your investment account has grown to more than $1.3 million. Your house is fully paid off. Your monthly expenses are low enough that missing a paycheck would not scare you. Money is no longer something you think about every day. You have choices. You can take time off when you need it. You can walk away from a job you no longer enjoy. You can handle unexpected problems without panic. Life feels calm. Not perfect, but calm. Meanwhile, someone you know earns more money than you. They drive a newer car. They live in a bigger house. They wear nicer clothes. To everyone around them, they look more successful. If someone saw both of you standing side by side, they would probably assume that person was wealthier. But they would be wrong. Because every month, that person feels pressure. Every payment matters. Every paycheck already has a job. Every unexpected expense creates stress. On the outside, they look rich. On the inside, they feel trapped. You don't. The strange thing is that both of you started in almost the same place. Similar jobs. Similar incomes. Similar opportunities. Neither of you won the lottery. Neither of you built a huge company. Neither of you became famous. One decision slowly separated your lives. A decision that did not look important at the time. You stopped trying to look rich. This is your life when you stop trying to look rich. You are 25 years old. It is an ordinary day. Your paycheck has just arrived. You open your phone and see money sitting in your account. For a moment, it feels good. You worked hard for it. You earned it. Then the ideas start appearing. A nicer apartment. A newer car. A better phone. More dinners out. More upgrades. More ways to show that you are moving forward. None of it feels irresponsible. In fact, it feels normal. Almost everyone around you is doing the same thing. Social media is full of people showing new purchases. Friends talk about upgrades. Coworkers celebrate bigger lifestyles. The message is everywhere. If your income goes up, your spending should go up too. Without realizing it, you begin following the same path. Each upgrade feels small. Each purchase feels deserved. And each payment quietly becomes part of your life. At first, you do not notice anything wrong. Then one day, something happens. Maybe it is an unexpected bill. Maybe it is a retirement calculator. Maybe it is seeing how little money remains at the end of each month. Maybe it is realizing that years are passing faster than you thought. Whatever it is, the moment feels different. For the first time, you stop and ask yourself a question. A question that most people never ask. Who am I trying to impress? The answer to that question is about to change everything. At first, you do not think much about it. You buy things that seem normal. A better car because your old one still looks like a starter car. A nicer apartment because you feel like you have outgrown your current place. Better clothes because successful people should look successful. Each decision makes sense on its own. And every time you upgrade something, it feels good. People notice. Friends compliment you. Coworkers ask questions. Family members tell you that you are doing well. For a moment, those small reactions make you feel proud. You feel like all your hard work is finally showing. Without realizing it, looking successful slowly becomes part of your identity. You begin to care about how your life appears to other people. Not in a bad way. Just enough to keep spending. Just enough to keep upgrading. Just enough to keep chasing the next thing. The strange part is that many of these purchases do not actually improve your life very much. The excitement fades after a few weeks. The new car becomes just a car. The new phone becomes just a phone. The expensive dinner becomes a memory. But the payments stay, month after month. The upgrades feel temporary. The bills feel permanent. At first, the cost seems small. One payment here. One subscription there. A slightly higher rent payment. A slightly larger car payment. Nothing that feels dangerous. Then the payments begin stacking. One on top of another. And another. Until a large part of your paycheck already belongs to something before it even arrives. You earn more money than you did a few years ago. Yet somehow it never feels like enough. The more your lifestyle grows, the less room your money has to breathe. You start noticing something strange. You look wealthier than ever. Your life looks impressive from the outside. People assume you are doing great. But inside, you feel more pressure than before. A missed paycheck would hurt. A large bill would hurt. Losing your job would hurt. The image is getting stronger. but your freedom is getting weaker. That is when an uncomfortable thought begins to appear. Maybe wealth and looking wealthy are not the same thing. Maybe they are completely different games. Before we continue, comment below with one thing you bought that felt important at the time, but barely matters today. You might be surprised how many people share the same answer. Because this is the question that changes everything. Are you building wealth? Or are you building an image? The decision that changes your life does not look impressive. Nobody congratulates you for it. Nobody posts about it online. Nobody calls it a success story. In fact, most people do not even notice it happening. You simply stop upgrading everything. When your car is still working, you keep driving it. When your phone still works, you keep using it. When your apartment meets your needs, you stay a little longer. From the outside, your life looks exactly the same. And that is why many people miss the importance of this stage. The biggest changes in your financial life are happening where nobody can see them. For the first time, you stop spending money just because you have it. You begin asking a different question. Not, can I afford this? But, do I actually need this? That one question starts changing your decisions. Little by little, month by month, you still enjoy life. You still go out. You still buy things you truly value. But the endless upgrades begin losing their power over you. Something strange starts happening. Money begins staying in your account longer. Before, your paycheck would arrive and disappear almost immediately. Now, some of it remains. At first, the amount is small. Maybe a few $100s. Maybe less. But it is the first time you notice a gap forming between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is small, but it changes everything. Because that gap is where wealth is born. Not in a luxury car. Not in a bigger house. Not in expensive clothes. In the gap. Every month it grows a little larger. And as it grows, so do your options. You begin building an emergency fund. You start investing consistently. You stop feeling like every dollar has already been assigned a job. For the first time, money starts working for you instead of disappearing from you. The outside of your life has barely changed. But underneath, everything is different. Your future is no longer being spent before it arrives. It is being built. Most people believe wealth begins when income increases. But many people earn more and still stay trapped. Because earning more is only half of the equation. Keeping more is what changes your life. And the beautiful thing is that nobody needs to notice. You do not need approval. You do not need applause. You do not need to look rich. You only need to keep making small decisions that your future self will thank you for. Because years from now, the results of those decisions will become impossible to ignore. This is where most people quit. Not because the math stops working. Not because saving money becomes impossible. But because the emotional pressure becomes harder to ignore. The hardest part of building wealth is rarely financial. It is emotional. Your friends keep upgrading. One buys a luxury car. Another moves into a larger house. Someone else takes a vacation that looks incredible online. Every week seems to bring a new announcement, a new purchase, a new achievement, a new sign that everyone else is moving forward. Meanwhile, your life looks almost the same. You are still driving the same car, still living below your means, still making choices that nobody notices. And after a while, doubt begins to creep in. Maybe you are being too careful. Maybe you are thinking too much about the future. Maybe you should loosen up a little. Maybe everyone else has figured something out that you have not. These thoughts show up more often than you expect, especially when social media only shows the highlights. You see the new car. You do not see the payment. You see the vacation. You do not see the credit card bill. You see the beautiful house. You do not see the stress that comes with maintaining it. The truth is that appearances can be very expensive. And many people are paying for those appearances every single month. What you cannot see is that some of the lifestyles you admire are being financed. Not owned, rented, borrowed, paid for with future income that has not even arrived yet. While all of that is happening, something very different is happening in your life. You are quietly building options. You are building an emergency fund. You are building investments. You are building breathing room between yourself and financial stress. The strange thing about options is that they do not look impressive at first. Nobody compliments you for having a fully funded emergency fund. Nobody asks to see your retirement account. Nobody takes pictures of financial peace. But those things matter far more than appearances ever will. Because options begin changing your life long before anyone notices. The option to leave a bad job. The option to handle an emergency. The option to help your family when they need you. The option to sleep without worrying about every dollar. And just like money, options compound. The more you build, the more valuable they become. If you've ever felt behind because everyone else seemed to be winning, comment freedom below. Because what looks like falling behind today may actually be the first step toward getting ahead tomorrow. And the people who understand that are often the ones who become truly wealthy in the end. Years pass quietly, not in a dramatic way, not in a way that feels important while it is happening. Just normal days stacking on top of normal days. At first, nothing feels different. You are still working, still earning, still making small decisions every day. But slowly, something begins to shift. The sacrifices you made earlier start becoming habits. You no longer feel the urge to upgrade everything. You no longer feel pressure to match everyone else. You simply live below your means without thinking too much about it. Then those habits begin turning into systems. Automatic transfers into savings. Regular investments. Bills that are planned, not feared. A lifestyle that does not expand every time your income grows. And over time, those systems begin turning into something much bigger. Wealth. Not overnight. Not in a sudden moment. But slowly, quietly, and almost invisibly. You start noticing changes that are easy to miss at first. Your investments begin reaching milestones. What once felt impossible now starts to feel normal. Your emergency fund grows to a point where emergencies no longer feel like disasters. They feel manageable, even small. Opportunities also begin to feel different. A job change does not feel like a risk anymore. It feels like a choice, a decision you can make without fear. Stress begins to lower without you trying. You are no longer living from paycheck to paycheck in your mind. Even if you still work, you no longer depend on every single paycheck the same way you used to. And then something even more important happens. Money begins working harder than you do. It grows while you sleep. It grows while you work. It grows while you live your normal life. This is the stage most people misunderstand. From the outside, it looks like luck, like timing, like something that just happened. But it is not luck. It is the result of years of quiet decisions. Years of choosing discipline over appearance. Years of choosing systems over impulse. Years of doing what others were not paying attention to. And that is the part most people miss. Because it all started when nobody was watching. When nobody cared. When nothing looked impressive. If you are still here watching this story unfold, hit the subscribe button and stay energized as we round up what this journey really means. You are now 45 years old. Life does not feel loud anymore. It feels steady, calm, simple in a way you did not understand when you were younger. The things that once impressed you do not matter the same way anymore. The car that once felt like a goal is just a car. The watch that once felt important is just something you wear. The opinions of people you once tried to impress now feel distant. Because something inside you has changed. You begin to see clearly that the real reward was never the appearance. It was never about looking successful. It was never about proving anything to anyone. The real reward was freedom. Freedom to leave a job that drains you. Freedom to survive hard times without panic. Freedom to make decisions without fear controlling you. Freedom to wake up and not feel trapped by your own choices. That is what all those small decisions were building toward. Not attention, not status, not approval, but space in your life. Space to think. Space to breathe. Space to live without pressure sitting on your chest. When you look back, it becomes very clear. The people who spent years trying to look rich were building something very different. They were building an image. Something that looked strong from the outside, but needed constant effort to maintain. Every payment, every upgrade, every comparison, it all went into keeping the image alive. But the image never becomes freedom. It only becomes responsibility. Meanwhile, something else was happening in your life. You were building ownership. Every dollar saved, every investment made, every moment of discipline, It was all building something real, something that could not be taken away by trends or opinions. And over time, ownership turned into freedom. Not all at once, but slowly, until one day you noticed you were no longer afraid of tomorrow. That is the difference. Looking rich is temporary. Being rich is quiet. And being free is the part most people never see coming. So now, as this journey comes to an end, take a moment to reflect on your own path. Are you still chasing the image? Or are you building the life that gives you freedom? If this story connected with you, consider subscribing and joining this journey. More than anything, keep building quietly. Because the life you want is not built in noise. It is built in silence. And one day, that silence becomes peace. That is your life when you stop trying to look rich